Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use lesson collections. Here is where you find pre-made theme-based collections that include a variety of lessons from different sections on the site. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, go to Materials in the top banner and click Collections from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to our collections page where you can browse through the various collections we have on the site. This includes holidays and events that happen throughout the month, or perhaps you're looking for CASAS competencies, or CLB competencies, link themes, etc. Once you've found something that interests you, click the link for that collection. Once inside the collection, you can filter the results with the menus right above. You can filter by level, age, and material type, depending on what you're looking for. You can change the way the results are sorted, and you can change the way they're viewed by list or by compact view. To the left, you can further narrow down the results by subcategory, and once you see something you're interested in, click that lesson to be brought to the overview page to further explore. Here you can launch the tasks, open the PDF, or if you'd like to assign it right away, you can click Add to Class in the top right. That's it for this video on how to use lesson collections. If you have any questions or any ideas for collections you'd like to see, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.